Ready to ditch the activation headaches and get your Cricket wireless phone up and running in minutes. First, make sure you have everything you need. That's your new Cricket wireless phone, the SIM card that came with it, and your Cricket wireless account information, like your account number and password. If you're transferring a number, also grab your account number and PIN from your previous carrier. Now, power on your new Cricket wireless phone. If you don't automatically see the activation screen, open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to cricketwireless.com. Activate. Once you're on the activation page, locate and click on the Activate Your Device section. This will usually be a clearly marked button or link. Next, you'll need to enter some key information. This includes your Cricket wireless account number, your phone's IMEI number, which you can usually find on the phone's packaging, or by dialing number 06 on the phone, and the SIM card number printed on the SIM card itself. Double-check everything for accuracy. After you've entered all the information, follow the on-screen prompts. This may involve selecting a plan, adding features, and setting up your payment method. The website will guide you through each step. Be patient, as the activation process can take a few minutes. Once the activation is complete, your phone should connect to the Cricket wireless network. You'll see signal bars and the Cricket wireless logo. Make a test call to ensure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully activated your Cricket wireless phone. Now you can enjoy all the talk, text, and data you've been waiting for. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.